What Atomizer is, it's an atomic orbital and molecular orbital viewer that features density functional theory, spherical harmonics, and this app has a lot of potential to be used in educational institutions, and when it comes to home learning, it can be easily accessible through the App Store, so really has a lot of potential. For the technical details, I chose AR Kit and Scene Kit instead of Reality Kit because GLTF Scene Kit for now, which I'm using for molecular orbitals, is only exclusively using the Scene Kit. So I had to use Scene Kit, but the feature that is exclusive to Reality Kit, which is object occlusion, I could implement it on Scene Kit by tweaking some of the options, going through the documentation and everything. DFT was used for the electron density of a molecule, and is commonly used in n-body system because it simplifies Schrödinger's equation, many body Schrödinger's equation into one body Schrödinger's equation, and that because it's really clear that you can see the the molecular geometry by just looking at the electron density. I kind of wanted you guys to kind of imagine what it would look like in real life. Click molecular orbital theory, water for example, and click AR. There you go. You can see what's going on. You see a little sphere with a ring. That's the point where you can place the orbit. You gotta just tap it. There you go. That's water. How cool is that? You can rotate around. You can kind of see all the density stuff. The red symbolizes higher density, blue symbolizes lower density. So that was it, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and check out my Swift Student Challenge submission, Atomizer, all available on App Store, and it is going to come out, and a big update regarding organic chemistry molecules are going to come out soon, so make sure you tune in. Thank you so much.